The cause of many pumping problems can be traced to suction piping. Before starting layout and installation of your piping system, consider the following points. 1. Never use piping smaller than the pump port connections. 2. Be sure the inside of the pipe is clean before hooking it up. 3. Foot valve. When pumping a light liquid with a suction lift, a foot valve at the end of the suction piping or a check valve in the first horizontal run will hold the liquid in the line and make it easier for the pump to prime. Be sure the valve is big enough to not cause excessive line loss. 4. When approaching an obstacle in the suction or discharge line, go around the obstacle instead of over it. This minimizes air pockets in the pump. 5. For a suction line with a long horizontal run, keep the horizontal portion below liquid level. This keeps the pipe full so it doesn't have to remove too much air when starting. 6. Be sure allowance is made for piping expansion and contraction. Loops, expansion joints, or unsecured runs should be used so the pump casing is not stressed by the piping. 7. Strainer. The pump inlet strainer keeps foreign objects from entering the pump. The strainer is particularly important at startup to help clean the system of weld beads, pipe scale, and other foreign objects. 8. The pump should not be used to support the piping. Hangers, supports, and stands should carry the weight of the pipe. 9. Do not impose strain on the pump casing when fastening it to the piping. Springing, or drawing the piping up to the pump causes distortion, possible misalignment, and probable wear on the pump. 10. All joints of the piping system should be tight. Pipe sealer will help assure leak-free threaded joints. Leaks in the suction line reduce its capacity. 11. Provide a pressure relief device in any part of a pump and piping system that can be valved off and isolated. The rise in temperature causes the liquid to expand, and there is a chance that the pump or piping will rupture without this device.